After last week's first leg of competition here in our Hallway Feeds USHJA National Hunter Derby Series, Ashley currently holds the second place in the juniors and 9th overall. It's True Colors and Ashley Vogel, number 17. In July 1987, the Shepherd family founded Double S Liquid Feed Services Incorporated in Danville, Illinois. Don, Evelyn, and their son Greg combined 50 years of liquid feed experience with hard work ethics, honesty, mutual respect, and a promise to exceed expectations to form Double S Liquid Feed products and programs. The company has grown dramatically and today is a leading manufacturer and supplier of cane molasses, vegetable oils, beet molasses, fish oil, and mineral oil products. For more information on Double S Liquid Feed Services Incorporated, please visit online at www.dbl-s.com.